On Wednesday, August 21, 2024, at 7:20 p.m., Davenport police responded to the 800 block of North Pine Street in reference to a report of 4 dogs at large, appearing aggressive. The caller stated the dogs were attempting to get over a fence to reach their dog. While the officer followed up on the call, a dog ran out of a yard in the officer's direction. The officer is seen on video backing up while the dog advances. The dog's behavior became aggressive, resulting in the officer discharging.
Is he?
Oh my gosh!
Here's what occurred.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. 4 shots fired. I just shot a dog. I'm 10-2. Right outside the residence. Hey! Yeah, I'm 10-2. Maybe expedite down here though. What's that? No, she wasn't. Yeah, 10-4. Ma'am, I got a supervisor on the way, okay?
No! Oh my God, Ezra, where's Ezra?
Yeah, 319 Oak Street. Ma'am. Hey, ma'am, what's the address here? What's that? Just wait.
2124 Telegraph Road.
I'm gonna be in the alley just north of 2124 Telegraph Road.
No. Sweet boy! Ah! Okay, honey. You stay with me, honey. I'm sorry.
Hey, did you call?
No, sir, I did not.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good. Really, I just need a supervisor to get here. I found one of my shell casings, a discharged twice. Essentially, the kids were playing with the dog unleashed in the alley here, and I told them they needed to bring the dog home and get a leash on it. And I stopped here and I saw Mom was outside, and I got out of the car, started walking up to talk to her, and the dog freaking came at me like it was gonna kill me. So one shell casing's right here. I'm still trying to find the other one. I got something ricocheted up and freaking hit me.
What are they doing on animal?
204 on 3. Can we get animal control to our location to get this dog? It's 1079. Oh yeah.
How's she?
She's upset, man.
Yeah,
I'm gonna make sure you're muted, dude. twice.
What's that?
I believe it was twice. Yeah, 16, 17.
Get one in the chamber, alright?
Yeah, but that means 17 plus 2, or 17 plus 1, so 18 total.
You're right, right?
Yeah.
Found it.
Where at?
It's behind the wall here.
Where at?
It's behind the wall right here. Behind the cement wall.
Okay. Yeah, nice job.
I don't know. My thing, so I don't know if anyone wants to have to come. Sure. I think probably we have a tech on, right? We'll let them.
204, can we start a tech over here, please?
Was she outside when the dog attacked me?
Yeah.
Mom was.
Oh yeah, and the
She was
kids.
screaming.
And the kids. And I kind of went like this to kind of make sure it was directed downward because the dog was here and they were right. All right. We'll call the complainant back.
Anything else on it?
It should be all right, dude. Just a little.
Miss it? Yeah.
Four.
Or is there any reason that animal control would need to hold on to the dog's body? If it didn't bite anyone and the owner is there, there's not much that animal control would be able to do.
10-4, I'll touch base with a supervisor and I'll let you know.
Over.
Hello.
Hello, is this Alex?
Yes, this is.
Hey, this is Officer Bach with the Davenport PD.
Hello. How's it going?
It's going, sir. Hey, I just wanted to grab a statement from you about what you saw with these dogs.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So pretty much, I just I heard my dogs in the backyard freaking out, so I went back there. There was 4 of them at my fence,
Okay.
barking all crazy, and then so I ran out to the front to try to see if their owner was like looking for them or something. Like to flag somebody down. Nobody was out there. So I
No,
just
you're
went back
good.
and let my dogs inside, and then I seen a couple people out there behind my backyard in the alley, and they were looking for the dogs too. They said that their dogs had come after them and their dog, or something like that. But so then I just
So how many dogs total was it?
I seen 4. I seen 4 dogs. There was like a black one and like 3 like
Was the-
creamish tan colored.
Was the black one barking aggressively?
The black one was not. The black one was an older dog, and it was not being aggressive at all. But the other 3, the tan ones were
Okay.
pretty fired up.
Okay. You did say there was one black dog involved, though.
Yep, it was like an older. It looked older. It was like black with like kind of had some gray fur on it. Like it just, I mean, that was obviously aged, but he didn't seem aggressive at all. He was just kind of sniffing at the backyard, and my dogs weren't even barking at him. The other 3 took off, and that black one stayed. And my dogs weren't even barking at him, and he wasn't barking at my dogs. But then, but the other 3 were running around barking. Those are the ones that were seeming a lot more aggressive.
Okay. Well, sir, hey, I appreciate. Do you mind if I grab your information real quick?
Yeah, sure.
essentially, I'll be frank with you. So,
The dog died as a result of its injuries. Standard practice in these circumstances includes a department review of videos from the neighborhood if available, body-worn cameras, vehicle cameras, and all other information available at the time.